shiny little Beamer with the rack top down, sitting in the drive, but she wouldn't get out. The dogs were all barking and wagging around, and I just laughed and said, "You all get in." She had a
Run the engine for a few minutes to allow the oil in the crankcase to warm up. Warm oil will flow more freely and carry away more of the engine's sediment, which may have settled at the bottom of the crankcase. Locate the drain plug. The drain plug is located on the starter side of the oil pan. Clean the area around the oil drain plug and the oil fill cap. Place a oil collection pan under the drain plug. Allow the oil to drain and then reinstall the drain plug. Remove the oil filter and wipe off the oil filter adapter with a clean cloth. Apply a thin film of clean oil to the rubber gasket on the new filter. Install the new oil filter to the filter adapter. Hand tighten the filter clockwise until the rubber gasket contacts the adapter. Then tighten the filter an additional 3/4 of a turn. Fill the engine with the proper oil to the fill or F mark on the dipstick. Always check the oil level with the dipstick before adding more oil. Reinstall the oil filter cap/dipstick and tighten securely. Start the engine and check for oil leaks. Recheck oil level before placing the engine into service. Stop the engine, correct any leaks, and allow a minute for the oil to drain down. Then recheck the level on the dipstick.
Right on full, perfect.
Dispose of your old oil at your local hazardous waste depot.